Let's make one thing clear from the start. Cleaning and clearing are two completely different things. Let's have a look at the distinction between cleaning and clearing. Cleaning is something that involves removing dust and dirt. It's a purely physical process, and you wouldn't probably expect your cleaner to help you make decisions on what to keep and what not to keep. That's not their job. Their job is to make sure that things are clean. A declutterer or organizer, on the other hand, is somebody who helps you clear. That could be clearing stuff, that could be clearing your mind, that could be clearing your backlog of paperwork. The important thing to keep in mind about clearing is that it involves an active process of decision making. So you have to decide on something. Do I want to keep this? Do I want to let it go? Who should I give it to? Auntie Mary or the charity shop? Should I keep it because I need it or because it makes me feel good? Or both, in the best of cases. So you can see there is a bit of a decision process going on. And part of the job of a declutterer is to help the clients make a decision that they can support themselves. So it's not up to me to decide this stays, this goes, but my job is to help you, the client, make an informed decision that you, the client, can live with and that you can maintain in the future. As an organizer, there's also an element of clearing there, because very often when you organize things, it becomes abundantly clear that things are available in doubles, triples, there's 4 of each somewhere that you don't necessarily need. And you never realized it because those 4 items were dispersed about your household. So if you have 4 brooms and you only need 1 and maybe a backup, maybe it's time to let go of 2 of them. That's where organizing comes in. The same goes for paperwork. You may have a lot of paperwork, a lot of which could be redundant because it has been replaced by more recent paperwork. So again, it's about making a clear decision what to keep and what to let go, based on the knowledge and the legal requirements that come with certain types of papers, like bank statements, like tax returns, that kind of thing. So, coming back to the original question, clearing or cleaning, I hope that you will now be able to separate clearly what constitutes a professional declutterer and organizer on the one hand, and a professional cleaner on the other hand. Keep that in mind, stay clutter aware, come back for more. If you want more, there are options. Click the round logo to subscribe to this channel or select the playlist in the middle to see more content or check out the links in the description below. Oh, and feel free to like this video.